Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and again we have an unboxing video, and this time we are doing some smart gadgets and to make our office or the studio a little bit more smarter than it is actually at this point. So first of all, thank you so much to SwitchBot. They have sent us some quite cool stuff which we will be unboxing and setting it up with you guys and then see how these things perform. A little bit more about them is it says the story, sometimes magical thing happens when you least expect it. One night before going to sleep, our CEO realized that he needed to get out of the bed, turn off the lights and close the curtains, and it's then at that very moment the idea of SwitchBot started. So as you all know, this is a thing of a past that when you have to go in the middle of night, you want to turn off the fan or a light or anything, you forget. So now with the help of these smart things that we can do it automatically just with our phones and also with our voice commands and all that. So we have the first thing, the security camera. So we are using one of the old security camera, but it always have this issue of disconnecting or connecting, and I can't really use it properly. So I'm very excited to try this one. Then they have the hub. So this one is the SwitchBot Hub 2, which everything connects to this, all the devices, not just this or any other smart devices in your home, you can actually connect with it, and then this will work as our middleman who will do everything for us. They have sent us the SwitchBot Bot, is called. Take your normal switches as smart switch also, so we will check those one as well. And then we have this SwitchBot color bulb, and this is quite interesting stuff. On the box it says that work as a part of SwitchBot ecosystem. You can connect this hub to the lock, to your keypad touch, blind tilts, board, lights, air conditioner, water heaters, cameras, projectors, so many things you can connect with this. It's such a small device, and it looks very cool as well. So one major thing here to note that this one also you can utilize with the Alexa, works with the Hey Google, works with the Siri shortcuts, and works with other things as well, IFTTT, and work with the smart things as well. Smart things I believe I'm using at my home, which is for the Samsung app. So let's unbox this and then set it up. Yeah, this is even smaller than I expected actually. There is a display in front which is like a light LEDs inside, I guess that's how it works. Then at the back of this there is this stand, so you can actually just put it like this, and there's a type C cable which goes to power up the whole thing. At the bottom there's just a rubber to keep it straight, just like that. Okay, so they have provided the USB cable, which is the USB A to USB C. There's a 3mm tape, you can put it on the desk or wall, wherever you want to set it up. Also, this is actually a temperature sensor as well. You can do actually automation with it. Let's say if it goes above some level of degree, when you feel very hot, it automatically turns on the aircon for you. It's so small, but the ecosystem is so big and can be very good and utilized very well. Then there is a power brick for this one. So this is what goes in the power. And then apart from that, there's a lot of things inside. Okay, so of course the guide, the user manual, all the details which we will need also, because this is also our first time setting up this hub. I don't want it to set it up first and then talk, because I wanted to see how easy it can connect for a normal person to you don't have to be very tech savvy to do all these things. First thing first, we're gonna put the USB cable and then we will power it up. All right. Oh, look at this. It says that number 27 and 47%. So we'll talk about all these things. Oh yeah, it's touch. So all these things is amazing. It looks so cute. There's a SwitchBot app you can download, and I already created my account, just connected with my Gmail. First thing, you will press add device. So scanning for the Bluetooth devices nearby, and on the top, because I'm only connecting to this one first, so it says hub 2. So let's see if I connect to the hub 2. Then it's giving me the instruction, press and hold 2 touch buttons for 2 seconds until indicator light starts flashing. Oh, so now it's flashing. So then you press next. It says connecting to your device. Okay, please note that this works with the 2.4 GHz version of your Wi-Fi. So, alright, so the Wi-Fi password is done. I connected already, and it says the name is the Hub25. You can change the name as you please. And then after this, you select the room. There's options here. Alright, so now I added the room as a studio, and then I press, it says just go next. So I'll go next. Then the name is studio current. This is how it works. So the room has been added, so you just press save here and it goes back to the main page. Then you go back and I will select the room here. Oh, so that's why we created a room. So now it shows here the room that this is a studio. So now we are room is studio and I will press save. I believe it should work after that. Yay, bingo. Wow. Use now. So this is done. Tap here to switch between homes and the room. This is where you can just change where you want to have it. So these three dots is a message center, edit home screen, and record sections and all that. But it's very easy setup. Just added the device. So now you guys can see, before I start adding the devices here, let's see what this screen is all about. According to the list of components, they have the indicator light, which is this one. Then this one is the humidity rating, which is the 45%. And then on the top behind this, there's some infrared sensors, and this one is the temperature reading. So as we mentioned, there is this temperature thing here, sensor, and inside the device as well, and it's quite accurate actually. And then this touch button, which is these two off and on button. If I just press off, it will just turn off, and it will just press on, it will turn on. White subtle look into it, so you can just still see if it's not off. You can just press the button on. Usually for this kind of hubs, you will keep it open or on for most of the time. Then you can pair, reset, hub to trigger scenes, and the buzzer is under somewhere here. So these are the list of the components which it has. Let's start with the adding our first device. So let's say we want to add, so at this point in our studio we have the monitor, which is a smart monitor, and we have a remote for that, so we can actually connect with that. We will put the monitor as a TV. It says smart matching, so we will press smart matching, or there are other ways to manually you can add as well. So let's use the smart matching thing. Then it says that place your remote control near to your hub. Make sure there is no obstacle in between. So I will place it here, and then it says start matching. Once it start matching, it asks you to press the power button, hold it for the signals or something. Oh, so it matches. So 3 templates were found. So there are different things they have found it. So let's see if this templates works for us. If I turn this off, Danny, our monitor, we are using our colleague's monitor. Does it turn off? Okay, so if I turn it on, did it turn on? Yes. All right, so this is how it works. So we will say it's working. So we'll press working. I will call it the monitor, and we will pick up a room. So in our have 2 rooms, so we will say that studio, press OK, and then we will save this device. So once we save, okay, so we have everything. Apart from that, in this app, there are a lot of other things you guys can do. So this is what you can see. So what kind of a temperature here, everything shows on your mobile phone as well on your device accordingly. Next thing, let's open the security camera. Okay, so first of all, this one is this SwitchBot Pan Tilt Cam 2K. And security from every angle, and it really looks very cute. They have a 360-degree view angle. So this one have the 2K resolution, is recording the 2K resolution. There's the motion detection as well, 2-way audio, so you can communicate from your mobile using the hub as well. Cloud local storage, you can save your files and all these in. There's a micro SD card goes into it, and voice control and SwitchBot ecosystem, so connects very easily with all the hubs and all that. So what works as part of SwitchBot ecosystem, there are motion sensor, mini hub, cameras. You can mix and match how you want it to work for you, or what is your need. Then apart from that, this says that there is a privacy mode also. That's very important to have. They have a pan tilt, goes up, down, 360. Motion tracking, which we talked about. Waypoints patrol, live view, and the night vision. I heard the night vision of this one is quite good. So let's open this device and then see. Oh wow, it opens very nicely. Everything just opens. The whole box just opens. Alright, so that's the camera. So again, there is a manual, user manual, and the cards which we have seen before. What's in this box? Let's see. Okay, same thing. We have the power head for this one. Okay, so this one wall mount, the cable, thank God cable is long, which is what I want. Power brick, and then they even provided the screws and all those for your drilling, and you wanna put it or hang it somewhere. Then we have this iPhone looking pin thing. I will check what is this for. Wait, let me pin properly. Oh, nice. There's a microphone indication here, so that means there's the microphone here. Camera itself at the bottom, you can put this and you can actually lock it accordingly where you want it to be and how you want it to be, and then you can mount that on the wall. So means this one is on the wall, you put this and just do it and it will work very fine. And then we will connect this. Oh, one thing I realized with it, that there's this small button here. Oh, that pin was for that, to reset the camera. Oh, okay, we can see the red light here. Now it's on. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna check that how we can connect this with our app itself. So let's add this device in our ecosystem and then see how this performs. So it says the next part is after selecting the camera, you have to hold the button, so it has to have the red flashing light. So let's do a reset now. All right, so we have the flashing light right now, and then on the app it's asking if it's flashing. Press next. All right, so yes, it is flashing red, so let's press next, and then we have to add a Wi-Fi password again. It says that please show the QR code to a camera, so I'm gonna show the QR code to the camera. Let's see. I heard the prompt tone. Yes, I did, very fast. Okay, so now after I heard the prompt tone, it says that connecting indoor cam to your Wi-Fi network. Please do not power off. Alright, so this one we are connecting and is moving and scanning the things. Quite a fast setup. It just took a second try for us. Maybe I put a Wi-Fi password wrong. So again, we're gonna select pick up the room. So let's say we will say again to the studio, and then we press OK, and then we will say use now. Alright, so this is what you get on the live view. So let me make it big. And this is how you can actually adjust around. This is how it looks. There is a button remote here as well for the features and all these things you can control from here. And then if you want to talk into it, hello, hello, or press and hold to talk. Hello, 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 hello. Then other features here, you guys can check. There is a night vision. I can put on auto night vision, and then there's a motion tracking as well. It is very responsive. Motion detection also have, and a sound alarm. The important thing I want to talk about the storage. That's this one. It says local cloud SD card to 256 GB. So that's where the storage comes in handy here. There's a cloud storage. You can click on this and then you can see how much cloud storage you can subscribe to. So this one you guys can subscribe to external cloud storage. It will save everything. All the information is available in the app. You can subscribe here. So you move it all the way up, then you will see at the bottom the storage card slot. So direction, I will move it all the way up. Ta-da! Wow, there is the storage card. You can put it inside. So we do have a storage card, so we'll put inside and test. So storage card goes here. Let's put it inside. Let's bring the camera down. Alright, so that's how you install the storage for this one, and quite straightforward. It just took me a while to find out where the memory card goes. Alright, so the next thing, SwitchBot Bot. This is the very straightforward device. It's just to make your manual switches into an auto switch where you can control via the app and all that. So it's same thing, the user manual and all these things you will get. Oh, it's also very small. I thought it's gonna be like this big, but it's actually super small. You need to pull this for a battery purpose. It will power on. All right, so on the box it says is light application cases, the light switch, coffee machine, computer. Ooh, I never thought that I can turn on my computer with this. That's amazing. Alright, so the next thing we have, the SwitchBot out app is out. Let's see how we will connect with this. So we will add a device again, and then I'll pick a room again. Same thing that you guys have seen before, and then the display will be switched. I will press next. Connect to the hub. This device is connected to your hub. You can control it remotely as well, so which is very good. Next, and bingo. And then there's an installation guide and all these things. We will skip on that part, and then we have the PC switch here. Let's see if it works. Oh wow, did you guys saw that? It turns it on. Okay, and then I'll press off. You can schedule it. This is very good. That's where the automation and smart things comes in, that you can schedule it as well. For me, definitely the first thing came into my mind was to put with the PC and all that, so it will be quite cool. So these are these devices. So the next device unboxing for this part. So my plan, as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to do it there. The point of this one is a smart bulb, and it's a color bulb. It's a RGB according to the website. Let's go and see what this one has to offer. This bulb is, according to the box, this is schedule and timers, voice control compatible. So now we will control our bulbs with the voice detection. All right, voice control. Wow, this is cool. So voice control, 16 million colors, is dimmable, 2700K to 6500K, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in ecological. I like the tagline, what they say, that give color a voice. This one can go to the extra warm to the bright white as well, which is very cool. All right guys, so this is all about the SwitchBot devices and amazing cool stuff. Super happy. I think I'm gonna order these ones. I cannot express how many variations I can think of at this moment, how it will make our things smart. Later on, of course, after this we will be setting up our lights, setting up our lights which we are using for the studio. They are smart lights also. I pretty believe that we can connect those as well. All right guys, so if you guys have liked this video, all the information I have shared with you, I hope it's enough for you guys to take a decision on your next purchase. And also, as a user perspective, I did all this without any research and just wanted to check how easy it is to plug and play, and we have seen it's very simple and straightforward. High quality product and amazing app with so much information inside, so it makes your life super easy. So don't forget to drop a thumbs up to this video if you guys have liked it, and let me know in the comment section that what you guys gonna use this device for, how you gonna utilize on your setup. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.